Extreme Machines dives into the intense world of bulldozers, where raw strength meets sharp precision, and every move keeps you on edge. Get ready for real skill, no stunts, just pure determination and grit. The Stalinek T-130 roars back to life a year after its engine overhaul. The diesel thunders, and the old Soviet machine rumbles with raw determination. It may be aged, but this beast still proves its enduring strength and grit on the job site. Nearly a meter of fresh snow blankets the Tyrolean Alps, turning the landscape into a frozen sea. Massive snowplows grind through the silence, carving paths through thick white walls. Each pass is a quiet, relentless battle against nature, an extreme snow removal mission dressed in calm ASMR tones. Next up, the old Cat D9D roars back to life, struggling to break free from the thick mud. Weathered and worn, it still proves that raw mechanical power never truly fades. Unbelievable. This bulldozer tears through the rainforest, carving a path like the jungle isn't even there. Dense brush and tree roots fall before its unstoppable blade. A true mechanical beast, effortlessly conquering terrain where few machines dare to go, pure jungle domination in motion. Next up, the Leaper 746 takes on a massive landslide head-on. With powerful blade thrusts, it sends tons of earth cascading down, clearing the unstable slope in no time. It's a raw display of German engineering, built to dominate even the most treacherous terrain. The Leaper 746 takes on a dangerous landslide cleanup, where tons of unstable earth loom on a steep slope. With immense pushing power and precise control, the dozer systematically breaks down the loose terrain, sending debris safely downhill. Amid dust and constant risk of collapse, the operator remains calm and focused. This is a clear example of how mechanical strength and top-tier operator skill come together to tame nature's chaos. Wow! The Chantuet DH-17C2 gets bogged down in the muddy terrain of POC, but what follows is a masterclass in recovery. The operator stays composed under pressure, skillfully working the dozer out of a tough spot. A true test of both machine control and mental resilience. The Caterpillar D6R slips into a slick, muddy abyss, its tracks spinning helplessly in place. Each engine roar is a desperate attempt to escape the trap. This intense scene shows how quickly things go south in extreme terrain, where one wrong move can bury even the toughest machines. Next up, under Brazil's Ministry of Infrastructure, a powerful scraper teams up with the D8K Bulldozer to shift massive loads of earth. In the scorching heat and fast-paced environment, these heavy machines work tirelessly, laying the groundwork for a critical piece of national infrastructure.